Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your Google account and granting camera and microphone permissions. This is essential. Once signed in, open Google Meet or create a meeting directly from Google Calendar to attach to class events. Make sure to choose who can join, only people in your domain or anyone with the link, and copy the meeting link. Test your camera and mic once, and if needed, select the correct device in settings so students hear you clearly before you start the lesson. Now you focus on managing the live class. You control participants, mute all when noise rises, remove or admit students, and pin or spotlight speakers to guide attention. When sharing, pick a window, your full screen, or a Chrome tab. Choose the tab option for video with audio. Once done, enable captions for accessibility, start recording if you need a replay, and set up breakout rooms for group work. These steps keep the session organized and learning focused. To finish, stop recording, end the meeting for everyone, and confirm the file saved to your drive so students can revisit the lesson. Make sure to check the attendee list and share any resources, slides, assignments, or links in Calendar, Drive, or your LMS. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes first. Refresh the Meet tab, rejoin the meeting, verify camera and mic permissions, or switch to another device. If audio still fails, ask students to join by phone as a fallback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.